Thanks for the lessons. I like your channel. Would you consider doing a lesson on the verbs tratar and tratarse? I still find them confusing as far as the different meanings depending on what preposition is used with them. I think that would make a really cool lesson. I searched your channel on YouTube and could not find a video just on this subject. Thanks again, Matt. Well, thank you, Matt, for the question and the request. Here is my answer. All right, everybody, so I did a little bit of research on this topic. I've always used this verb tratar for a couple of different uses, but upon doing some research, I found that depending on what comes after it, the verb tratar or tratarse can actually mean a lot of different things. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go through the few ways that I most commonly use it. If you want to go out and do some more research on it, I guarantee you'll probably find well over 20 different ways that you can use this verb depending on what you put after it. So I'm going to tell you how I use it and talk about it a little bit here. So tratar de plus an infinitive is to try. So for example, if I give you an example on here. Todos los días mis estudiantes tratan de comunicarse en español. So every day my students try to communicate with one another in Spanish. So tratar de with an infinitive, to try. Going down a little bit. This one, if you are a native Spanish speaker, I would very much like it if you would chime in on this in the comment sections of the video. I've always learned that tratarse de means to be about, but upon doing a lot of research, again, I found that a lot of people were using just tratar by itself as to be about. So I'm curious as to if one of those is technically correct or not, and if you think it is one way or the other, aside from, say, being a native Spanish speaker, could you point me to a resource that makes it very clear as to which one would be correct? Because I couldn't find it one way or another concretely right or wrong. So my ejemplos are de qué se trata el libro, for what's the book about, and then se trata de un personaje valiente. It's about a courageous character. And from what I found, I could make that sentence be correct with or without the se in it. So again, some comments would be fantastic there. Next one down, we have tratar plus a person or an animal, which can mean to treat, like to treat someone well or to treat them poorly, like that. So a couple examples. Siempre trato bien a mi familia. I always treat my family well. Or hay que tratar a los ancianos con respeto. You must treat the elderly with respect. This little right here, those come into play because when you have a person that is the object of a verb, you have to have what's called the personal or the personal a. So that's why that's there. And then the last one where I use this often is with talking about hospitals or sicknesses, patients, that kind of thing. So my two examples are los enfermeros tratan al paciente con aspirina. The nurses are treating the patient with aspirin. And then the other one is la doctora trató la gripe con la medicina correcta. The doctor treated the flu with the correct medicine. So those are the most common ways that I use the verb. Again, there are many other ways you could use it. I do recommend doing some research if you want to find out more of those. That's it for this video. Hopefully I answered your question. If you have other ones or other comments, please leave them below in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.